morning mga kapuso! Makakasama natin ang director sa award-winning musical trilogy na Limitless at ang director din sa upcoming concert na Julieverse this November 26. Walang iba kundi si Direk Paolo Valenciano. Maayong buntag, Direk, at welcome po dito sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV.
Hello po, maayong buntag, Abby. Hello.
You also directed the award-winning Limitless, a musical trilogy with the Asia's Limitless star herself, Julianne San Jose. What have you discovered while you were in the process of making the trilogy?
To be quite honest about it, we really had a hard time. It was not a simple concept, and we were struggling with the weather. We were struggling with the lockdowns. Kasi nung time na yon, in one of the legs, I think we were in Mindanao. I think nasa Sultan Kudarat kami noon when na-announce na magkaka-lockdown ulit. For example, nagka-surge Delta pa nung time na yon. And then di namin alam kung makakauwi kami or not. There were so many things. Tapos nung si Kihor binagyo kami. Binagyo kami while we were supposed to be shooting a beach sequences, no. And despite all of those challenges, si Julie never gave us a problem. And it was very uncomfortable. It was a very uncomfortable experience in terms of like mounting it. No, not that, I mean, the fulfillment was there. We really believed in what we were doing, but it was so challenging. There were so many challenges, and I feel that if that was any other artist, they would not have been able to endure that. Kasi nga ang daming nangyayari.
Sa kabila ng nabanggit mong mga challenge, Direk, worth it naman po lahat dahil napakaganda po ng output ninyo. At ngayon nga ay may dapat na naman kaming abangan ang Julieverse on November 26. Where will you take us this time, Direk?
Well, yung Julieverse is something, yung Julieverse tandem was something that I've been pushing for ever since Studio 7 days pa namin. Our messaging really focuses on the fact that there are people who are very compatible with one another. And we don't want to also just focus so much on the romantic angle of it, no. But really, I feel like Julie and Raver are just they are the perfect pair. With their personalities, their talent, the look, their looks, diba? It's almost like it's impossible to come up with, to find another duo na ganto ka with this much chemistry.
Direk, ano po ba yung difference nito sa ibang projects na nagawa mo na?
I think the fact na love team siya, the love team angle is something that I haven't done ever, no. So there's a lot of things that I can play around with in terms of the visuals, the lighting, na hindi ko naman magagawa in other shows.
Finally, please invite ang ating mga kapuso na manood ng Julieverse Concert, and your message na rin po sa ating mga kapuso dito sa Mindanao.
Alright po. Hello to all our brothers and sisters down south. Hello from Pasig. This is Direk Paolo Valenciano, and I want to invite everyone to please, if you are in the north at any point within the next 2 weeks, November 26, we have Julieverse, which is happening at the Newport Performing Arts Theater at 8 p.m. And if you guys want to purchase tickets, you can check out www.gmanetwork.com/synergy or www.ticketworld.com.ph. It's going to be a night of a lot of dancing, a lot of kilig moments, and a lot of really big production numbers. So yeah. Hope to see you there.
Ayan, thank you so much for your time, Direk. Ingat po.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.